guys, happy Sunday. It is Sunday afternoon, about 12:45. I'm on my way to work because it's what I do. It's what I always do. I feel like now that I work Monday through Friday, and then I work Saturday, Sunday, all I do is work. But it's okay because I love what I do, both jobs, so that's cool. So I am on my way to lead a WW workshop. I'm super excited because today's topic is about the weekends and how to make the most of your weekend and still stay on plan. So I will go over more of that for you guys in the Wednesday weekly, but I'm super excited because I am always so busy. We're always doing something fun on the weekend. I have had to learn to make weekends part of my program and make it work for my lifestyle. So I feel like I have a lot of information and great ideas and tips for that subject, but also I'm super excited to see what kind of ideas my members will have today. So I'm sure that they have some great ideas as well. And we're all in this together, so I need their ideas as much as they need my ideas. So I'm super excited for this workshop. It's gonna be a breeze. As far as coaching it, it's gonna be a breeze. This one's gonna be easy. So I did this morning, we had our live book club discussion about Pieces of Her by Karen Slaughter. Really good book, really good. I have decided that Karen Slaughter is really an A+ go-to author, and everything that she writes that I have read so far has been just fabulous. So we had a great discussion this morning. Our next book club discussion, if you're interested, is going to be next Sunday because it's the last Sunday of the month. So next Sunday, instead of 10 o'clock, I need to do 10:30, and I apologize for that. It's just because I have to work that morning. So so next Sunday, 10:30, we are going to be discussing The Couple Next Door by Sherry Lapina. So I'm super excited. I'm about to start listening to it literally right now while I'm on the way to work. So very excited to get into that. I also did this morning, which you guys will see probably before this video, a fall cupboard pantry clean out collaboration video. I think I said that all wrong. But it's a fall cupboard clean out. It's a collaboration with Cherie from Motivated Muffins. It's a collaboration with her and several other of my YouTube friends, so I'm super excited. Instead of a cupboard clean out, I did a freezer clean out. So I'm gonna be eating a lot of leftover kind of stuff. I also have a lot of meats that I need to cook up in the freezer. I really appreciate that Cherie put this collaboration together because I needed to do this. I have so much stuff in that freezer. It felt good just going through the freezer and cleaning it out and knowing what I have. That part alone felt great. I had to throw away very little things. I think I threw away 2 bags of grapes and 1 bag of mystery meat, and that was it. So that's good that I was able to identify most everything, and I'll be able to eat it up, use it up. It's gonna take quite a few weeks for me to use this stuff because of the recipe challenge, the recipes that I'm already trying to make, and then the stuff that's already in the fridge, and then working in this freezer stuff. So it's gonna take me a while, but I feel really good at least knowing what's in the freezer, and I already have a tentative meal plan for next week that uses a lot of those items. So if you haven't watched that video, go watch it and let me know what's in your freezer that needs to be cleaned out. You got mystery meat? Everybody probably has mystery meat, right? I threw mine away. It was like so frozen and yucky. So I really, really hate wasting food, but sometimes you just gotta draw the line somewhere. So I told you guys on Friday that I was going to start intermittent fasting this week, and I'm super excited about that. I just want to kind of get my body a little jump start because I feel like I'm a little stagnant on my weight. And I actually really like intermittent fasting. So if you don't know what that is, intermittent fasting is just eating within a specific time frame. It's not fasting as in I don't eat. I still eat the same amount of points. I still eat my 23 points per day. So I do intermittent fasting in conjunction with Weight Watchers, in conjunction with Teamy Teas. So the way it works is I will fast until about 2 or 3 in the afternoon. during my fast, I will have black coffee. If I feel I need some creamer, then I use just 1 tablespoon of fat-free creamer. Try to keep it really light because you don't want like any calories at all when you're doing intermittent fasting. So in the morning, I will have mostly black coffee, and then I will have some teamy tea, so a tumbler of green tea or maybe some black tea. And that is going to help tide me over and help keep my tummy full and happy until I can eat at about 2 or 3 p.m. So what I will do is have basically a late lunch at 2 or 3 p.m. If I'm working out or if I'm hungry, I will then also have a snack, and then I will have dinner. And when I stop eating dinner, I'll need to stop eating for sure by 11. That was my old time frame, and now I go to bed quite a bit earlier. I go to bed by 10, so I have no problems stopping eating by 11. So what I'm aiming for is a 16-8 window, so 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating. And it doesn't mean that you eat the entire 8 hours. It just means you eat within that 8-hour window. So what does intermittent fasting do for you? It's awesome as far as reducing cravings. It helps you obsess about food a lot less. I like it because I have to prepare and prep and bring a lot less food. It also, I said, it takes away your cravings, reduces your appetite. It gives me a lot of energy, like so much energy during the day. So that I am looking forward to. And then when you do intermittent fasting, during the fasting period, your body produces a hormone called HCG, which helps to break down fat. So it's supposed to be really good for you as far as fat burning and fat loss. So I'm looking forward to all of those things. And I actually kind of started already this weekend. So on the weekends, what I like to do is try to just have like 1 meal and 1 snack, because I tend to eat like not necessarily higher volume, but more points for my food on the weekend. So if I just have 1 large meal, good for the day. So yesterday what I did was I fasted until about, I think it was about 3:30. And then I had sushi. I had 2 rolls of sushi. I was nicely full. And then that was almost all I ate for the rest of the day. That was my meal for the day. I did then have some agua fresca, which is a drink, a beverage. And then I had an ice cream cone. So we'll say I had a couple snacks as well. But basically on the weekends, I'm looking for 1 main meal and then maybe a snack or 2. And then during the week, like I said, I will be doing a lunch, a snack, and a dinner. So that's how I plan to do intermittent fasting this week. Today I've had nothing but black coffee so far. I had some Nespresso, which was fabulous, and that's it. It's almost 1 o'clock, and I now have to be at work until I'll be done with work at like 3 o'clock. So after that, I'm gonna head over and have my salmon salad, and that's basically gonna be my meal for the day. I'll probably get a large salad this time. I get the same amount of salmon on the large salad as I do on the small salad. The only difference is I get more of the salad part of it. So some days it's just not worth it to eat more lettuce, just eat more lettuce. But today I think I'll go with the large because this is gonna be like my main meal of the day, and then I'm gonna be out doing errands, and I'm super excited because tonight I'm doing paint night with a friend. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I am not an artist, but I've always wanted to create a real painting on canvas, and tonight I'm doing that. I'm so excited. So that is my plan for today. After I work, I'm gonna go have my salmon salad. I'm gonna do some errands. I do need to buy just a few groceries, not many because of this freezer clean out, and then I'm going to go to paint night. Super excited. Anyway, I'm gonna head to work, do my workshop. I'm gonna listen to The Couple Next Door right now as I drive to work. Oh my gosh, that was such a fun meeting. I'm super excited because number one, the first week that we had this brand new meeting in Pasadena, we had 4 people. The second week we had 3 new people and 1 returning, so again 4 people. This week, you guys, 8 people. Yes, I'm so super excited. And the majority of them, everyone everyone was new but 2 people. So weird. So I don't know how the dynamics work as far as people coming and going and not going every week and yada yada, but we are getting increased numbers, so I'm super excited. And it was a really fun meeting because it was about weekend strategies, and I do that all the time. I'm always strategizing how to make the most of my points, so it was super fun. Mark was there. Hi Mark, if you're watching. And it was a blast. So thanks you guys for everyone who came. If you're looking for a WW workshop to go to and you're in the Southern California area, you can catch me live in person in Pasadena at 2 p.m. So if you're looking for a new meeting to attend, I wanted to show you guys what I got because the new products have hit the shelves here. I'm super excited. I think I saw that Anita from Chit Chat Paddywhack already got some new product. I don't know if you've tried them yet. I haven't tried any of this, but I thought I would get it so I can try it for you guys. You know, I gotta do my research. Take one for the team for you guys. And myself, okay? Let's be real. So the first 2 things I got are actually not for me. I'm sending them to my sweet friend Dee in Australia because she can't get these products. I got some of the protein pancakes that I love. I hope you like these as much as I do, Dee. Here's a tip for you. Some people don't like them actually cooked in the cup like that because it doesn't seem like a real pancake. I like them that way. I think they're still really, really good. If you make your first pack and you make it in the cup and you don't like it that way, then the next one, make it up and pour it into a skillet and make like a regular pancake with it. That's what one of my friends did. So try that. But here's some protein pancakes for Dee. And then Dee, I also got you some baked snickerdoodle protein bars. Those are pretty good. I don't think they're as good as the chocolate peanut butter ones, but they're just nice for a different lighter flavor rather than chocolate all the time. I was going to get you some So Good salted caramel bars because I love those, and they were out at this location. So I think they're out at my regular location too. So I'll check on Tuesday and see if I can get some of those for you. But those are for Dee. And then here's the new products that we got. I have the chocolate peanut butter pie flavored snack bar. Chocolate peanut butter pie. That sounds good, right? So these are $7.95 a box, kind of steep, but there's 12 bars per box. What I love is that this product has no artificial anything in it, and yet the points are still 2 smart points per bar. That's awesome. So I'm thinking they're going to be pretty small bars, but hopefully they'll still be satisfying and really delicious. So I'm super excited to try these. $7.95, 12 bars per box, and each bar is 2 smart points. So I got chocolate peanut butter pie. I got chocolate caramel. Look how good that looks. And I got s'mores. Ah, my gosh. I got all 3 because I couldn't decide between them because they all sound amazing to me. So I am obviously going to have to spread these out. Hopefully I'll be smart and not have one of each tonight. I think I may try them out, at least one of them, when I'm at the movies this week. So that'll be a good movie snack with my popcorn. Anyway, so it's like 3:30 now. I'm super hungry. I'm ready to break my fast. I'm gonna go have my salmon and salad that I love so much, and then I'm gonna get some errands done. So I just wanted to show you guys all the good stuff that I bought at Weight Watchers today. What a fun meeting. I'm here with my awesome friend Michelle.
Oh hey, I was smiling for a photo.
No, it's not a photo, it's a video. What are we doing?
Hey y'all,
We're painting. It's paint night.
Wish us luck.
Do I know what I'm doing? No. Do you?
Nope.
All right. I'm so excited.
But it's pretty good for a camera that existed when they only had zero.
Michelle, are you having fun?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What's the technique?
Pop, pop, pop. It's called
Stippling.
Smother. I remember the name. Stippling.
You know, making branches and trees and
Making
leaves and
branches.
stuff. Yeah.
It's like pop, 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 pop.
Looks awesome.
See? It looks like leaves when you stipple.
Very, very relaxing.